Yo, what's up, chat? Let me take the chat window up here. No, I don't want that up there. Pop this out here. Yes. Okay, can I not, like, separate the chat onto a different stream? Dude. Oh. Oh. Hey, guys. What's up, man? Um, Hold on. Let's just get rid of that. Sorry, guys. As you can see, I definitely know how to use OBS. Hold up. Sorry. I don't have a second monitor. That's the problem. Y'all, I don't have a second monitor, so the thing is, like, either I put the chat... Also, what's up, Midas? Alright, so y'all, today's stream is just gonna be for, oh my god, what is happening? Making requests for assets and stuff. Live chat. Okay, here we go. Alright, can you make the Chapter 2 Season format, please? Yes. I definitely can. However, I just don't know how long that will take me to do, but I'm going to try to do a lot of stuff today. So, see if I can get that going. I'm going to pull the chat up on my phone, and I'm going to put it, like, right in front of my monitor, because, guys, I still don't have a second monitor. It's actually really bad. Did you see my suggestion? I looked at some of the suggestions a little bit ago. Let me look again, though. Let me see if there's any new suggestions. So, I'm actually going to go to cPanel. Let's go to my cPanel here real quick. Don't stop me now. Yeah, you guys probably are not going to be able to see that. Okay. Hold on, guys. I have to turn the screen off for a second because I can't show you guys the password here. So, hold up. Alright, let me just log into my thing, and then I will put the screen right back up. WNXC. Okay, let's do this. Don't stop me now. I'm having a good time, having a ball. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. Okay. Sorry, guys. Hold up. Just need, like, one more minute. ELR99. Oh my god, why did that sound so zesty? I just realized. Oops. Okay. Hold up. Alright, we're good now. I can put the stream back on. Sorry. Okay. Now let's put the stream back on. There we go. Okay, cool. Alright, y'all. Let's get started here. Cause it got deleted. I don't think your request got deleted, actually. I think, let's see. Let me go to my suggestion. Suggestions.txt. I don't know which one was yours, but it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 requests that were posted today. Dude, why? Alright, I'm not really sure how good my mic is, guys. I'm sorry. My mic might kind of be ass, but it's alright. But it wasn't on the Rai website. What? Oh, are you saying that you, like, did you put, like, a suggestion, like, in the comments or something? I was saying that you did a good job on the Deadpool yacht, but I think you could have did it better. No offense, we can get the statue for Deadpool and his balloon on Sketchfab. Yeah, I know. I didn't finish the Deadpool yacht yet. So I didn't get the statue and stuff yet. I haven't even had my PC for like 5 days, guys. I haven't been able to finish stuff. So, like, that's my bad. Yo, will you please start adding buildings in for Pleasant Park, Lazy, Misty Meadows, Full Rig, and some retail buildings? Those are the things we all need. Yes, I am trying, guys. I just don't have the time. And as of right now, it looks like my Fortnite's still updating, so that's really, really fun. Um, and it looks like I have an entire hour to wait until it's done updating, so that's really annoying. So I won't be able to do anything until that's finished. But what I can do is maybe something we can figure out. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for remix stuff, so I'm gonna try to figure that out. Somebody sent me. Actually, you know what I need to do is go FN builds fnbuilds.com. Oh wait, no, it's .net actually. Oh, I don't want to go here. I don't know where this is. I don't want to go to this site. Alright, fnbuilds.net. Oh, wow. We need season 32. Oh, okay, cool. Dude, what? I'm sorry. Right. Okay. Don't really know what's going on there. Season 34. Dude, what? I'm sorry. Dude, what? I'm sorry. Season 21, season 22. I want to do season 26 because I want to get you guys some of the stuff that's in here. I'll do 26.30. Okay, guess it's not found. Not really sure what's going on here. What the heck? That's where I got my remix build. Yeah. What's this site? It's called fmbuilds.net. I'm trying to get... Hold on, guys. Alright, so for some reason I have a different thing on here. I need 20... Was season 20... What was it, guys? 24? Right? Is it season... No, that's not right. Season 32. What am I saying? Okay. Season 32 is Remix, which I'm trying to download right now. For some reason, these links don't work. But what I do have is another link for it, so I'm going to send myself that one real quick. So if you guys just be patient real quick and let me do this. I need to send myself it. Okay, let's do to myself, and then let's send the link like this. Okay, come on. Okay. Now I need to go to my email real quick because I don't know why. There's just not. Okay. Now if gigafile. So there's this thing called gigafile. Yeah, for whatever reason, I don't know why this is not showing up, but just says not found. Okay, yeah. Guess it's not there for whatever reason. That's so weird. What? .7z. Huh. Okay, but it is on this site, so 20 I'm sorry, 22 days left. Oh my god. Oh my lord, bro. We're gonna be here for way too long. Ugh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my lordy, lord. Alright guys, I'm gonna pull chat back out. I can send you the build, never mind. None of them are. I think the site is down. Yeah, maybe somebody. If somebody could send me the build then, because I guess fmbuilds.net is not working properly. But I want to get the season 32 build so I can give you guys remix stuff. But I don't have. I can't download it. Yo, what's up, Thing? Thing Tune? Thing Tune of the Thing? What am I saying? Um. Other than that, I also want to do chapter 4. I know people have been asking for chapter 4 too. So I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. Mine took only 30 minutes. It said that at the beginning, but it doesn't take long. Oh, thank you for the tip. Okay. Okay, let's just let this download and see how long it takes. Alright. Okay. Shouldn't take super long, hopefully. You can? Okay. Alright, well, I'm just gonna have this download here and then, E. Yo, what up, Dream Makes? What's up, guys? I'm gonna. So, the thing is, right now, guys, I can't actually do anything on UEFN because my game's updating. And it looks like it's taking forever because for some reason this update is fucking 24 gigabytes. Epic. Good go in there, Epic. Love to see it. So, that's gonna take a while, and I have no idea how long it's gonna take. It might take like an hour, so we might be here for a little while. Just saying, y'all. I can't do anything about it. But for now, what I'm going to do is update my website for you guys. So if we do, I'm going to get rid of this because I don't like this. So we're just going to get rid of it. Bye-bye. Okay, and then if I go back to, oh god, this is just going to be brutal, isn't it? Oh, good lord. Good lord. Okay. Somebody sent me dog pool downloads, so what I will do is try to get those. So, dog pool, really, dog pound. I wish my computer wasn't being so slow for absolutely no reason. It's just really frustrating. Okay, so now I want to go to this guy's Discord server real quick. I'm gonna have to close this out real quick. Exactly, dude. Why is it fucking 24 gigabytes, bro? Like, the... Why? Oh, Nerd Flares, are you heading out? Damn. Alright. See ya, man. What am I doing? I am making assets for you guys. But problem is, Epic decided to give me a 24 gigabyte update. So, we have to wait. No clue why. It's not like I haven't. It's not like I haven't like ran Fortnite in like 10 years, dude. I literally ran it last week. Like, I don't know how there's a 24 gigabyte download necessary. It doesn't even make sense. Like, what? Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. While we wait for Fortnite to download or figure itself out, I'm going to work on updating some stuff on the website. Oh my god, why is my computer so slow, bro? Oh my god, this is so painful. Can I close out? Yeah, Spotify, get out of here. I don't need you right now. I'm trying to close out as many apps as possible. Like, let's go to Task Manager real quick, cause like, dude, this is like way too slow right now. What is happening? Discord, get out of here, please. Taking up way too much of my memory. Free download manager, get out of here. Why is that even installed on my computer, dude? Copilot. Why is Copilot running? I don't have anything. I'm not even doing that. Like, I don't even have Copilot open, dude. How is that running? Get rid of this junk. I don't want that on here. Spotify, get out of here. Dope. I don't want Spotify right now. Nvidia, don't need this. Actually, I don't know. Get out of here. Okay, this is what should be running right now. Task Manager, OBS, Google, Chrome, and this task. Okay, cool. That should be a little bit better, hopefully. Yeah, dude, sorry it's late here. See ya. Ah, shucks. That's alright. I couldn't stream any earlier, guys. I mean, I literally couldn't. I'm busy. Busy man. Oh, that is not good, model of, the main wall textures are missing. Oh, really? That's whatever. I guess these models are not, like, best. I mean, you know what I could do for you guys? If you want it this second, I can probably, okay. 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 I'm pretty sure when the remix build downloads, you can just snatch all the wall textures. Yeah, that's the thing. So, alright, it does look like the zip file did finish. 32.0 is taking a long time, but now if let's see, let me steal something from my own website here. I might redesign one of these cards. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to figure out what to do right now while I'm waiting for this freaking UEFN to update. Oh, it's gonna take so long, bro. Epic, I literally hate you. Oh my god. Oh, Epic, bro. Literally. Epic PMO, dude. Epic PMO. You know you can download any UEFN map or UEFN map with PyUEFN. What the fuck is PyUEFN? Yeah, okay, so... Okay, so, but this is only for current Fortnite, right? That's the problem. Sandbox level. Wait. Rai said a swear. Yeah. It is what it is, boys. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna try to mess with that right now. That's a lot to learn. So I'm going to, I just want to build up something from what I already have knowledge on. So I want to build up on that first for you guys, and then I'll maybe try UEFN and Pi or something, whatever. It is, I think, if I figure out like a good setup for the homepage. So what I'm doing now, guys, is I'm trying to redesign the homepage. So I want it to be a section of just like recently uploaded assets, so it'll be and you can like just download them from there. I think that'd be easy. Or I could do like links to their download pages or something. That's what I think I'll do. So yeah, what if we do that? What if I copy some? I think if main2.css, I think that's already there. If I just do asset grid, if I tried this real quick, and then we close out that, and then we do a little, we do a div style equals, excuse me, border 1 pixel, solid black. And then we do close div, and then we put an image inside of here, image source equals and then we do width 200 pixels, and then height 200 pixels. Let's see how this looks. Actually, let's just put like a random image source in here. Why don't I do this old news thing .png. AES key for remix. Cool, thank you. I'll show that. Might as well. There's no reason not to show it. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Okay, let's test this. Okay, so don't stop me now. If we just do, obviously that is not. I think I'm gonna get rid of this news feed, and I think I'm just gonna post like, maybe I could do the news feed at the top. So what if we do like a news feeds like thing at the top, and then below it, then we would have this stuff. Because if, let's see, style asset card, I think, oh, why did I put style on that books? I think what if I put this after the news feed, and then I'll figure out the news feed later. I think I'm gonna get rid of all of this for now, and then let's just try this. Let's do like that, and then I'm gonna get rid of this. Oh wait, oops. Let's get rid of. Put this here. Stop yelling at me, please. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Class equals asset card. Let's see what that does. Okay, so now let's just do this. This is a better idea. Let's do this. Style equals image source. Let's do like tell me what you mean by that. Thanks. Do you mean like old seasons or like what? Why, I'm sorry I didn't hear you. If you answer the question of do you want the train model with textures? Yeah, sure. I'll take that. I'll get that up there for you guys now. New assets. Okay, let's see what that looks like right now. I don't know if it's cool. Okay, so I do want to add in a little bit of a padding. $20 pixel. Maybe we should do, let's do 300 by 300, and then let's surround this in a tag. Oops. Doing crystal methyl be open to your break, it won't stop. A ref equals new asset dot, yeah, whatever. Actually, I'm just gonna put nothing there for now since I didn't actually have that. So then let's adjust the width of this to be 300. Maybe we can do the height as like 100 or 200. See what that looks like now. Oh, come on, man. Okay, cool. So new assets. you have your news here, and then we have new assets posted here. Cool. That looks nice. Now I'm going to make this a little bit more snazzy. Let's pixel. Let's do a background of like light blue. Background color should be light blue, and then let's try that. Because I think that will clash well, or that will look well with okay. I mean, or like, I kind of just could put honestly, let me just do that, because that just probably makes more sense. If we, if like I copy one of these asset cards, so whenever a new asset is posted, I'll just do this. Copy as, copy element. And then I'll just paste this here, and this will be like the card for it. Because that's easier for me too. Okay. So now to test it, new assets will be outlined here. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is actually have a page instead of it just being being able to download it there. So I'm gonna like have you guys click on the card, and then it will take you to a separate page. So bro, it's like every second the stream freezes. Oh, seriously? Why, man? This oh my god. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear me at all, but are we back, guys, or what? Like, what's going on here? Okay, so now if sorted downloads, I log data.json. Oops. File.get contents and data.json. Assets for each if. Okay, so that's honestly, I think what we could do is I can probably get rid of this function, or at least simplify it completely. So honestly, wait, actually maybe we could get rid of actually, hold on. Let's put this in here, and then why don't we do that? There we go. Now I'm gonna get rid of this, and then matched equals null, matched equals A, assets matched. Okay. What if we do if a match was found, no match, then we should just echo that there was an error. So response equals div class equals message could not generate a preview for the selected asset. Alright. And then let's figure this out. Dude, oh wait, it's because it doesn't. Stupid PHP and their variables. And then I want to return the response. Return response. Response. Okay. Response equals. Then it would be the info. So it would be like, I didn't hear you if you answered my question or not. The stream is really lagging. Sorry. How do you export models from limited time stuff? Again, I don't really know what you mean by that, but can you like elaborate what you mean by that? Because I'm not really sure. Alright. Alright, guys. I don't really know. My network's kind of bad. Okay. You mean like past seasons, right? How do you do that? F-model. You download the build and then you load the packs into F-model, and then you can look through the packs in F-model. So that's how you do that. Yeah, like remix. Like any past season, you load the packs into F-model, and then you can look through the packs in F-model. I can show you what I mean if you want, like, whenever stuff actually, whenever this stupid ass download finishes, then I can actually work on stuff. Bro, when I try it doesn't work, that's because you might need a US map set. So it's either you need to have a specific US map, so you need to put in a mapping for Unreal Engine, otherwise it doesn't know how to strip the data from, because every version of Unreal is a little bit different. Every version of Fortnite, like Unreal, is a little bit different as to how everything is structured. So you have to specify a US map, which just means how does it's just how F model knows to strip the data. So it just gives F model a guide on how to strip the data. So there are a bunch of US maps from 14.60 to looks like he only has 21.50. That's not good. Hold on. Yeah, other than it might also be the UE version, would be another issue. So if there's no US map, then it's the UE version. Let me ask ChatGPT real quick. Yeah, I don't care, dude. What? Oh my gosh. You might have to play around with it. Okay. It's not helpful. Okay. Okay, I don't know. I would probably just try different versions of UE5 because I don't know. You're just gonna have to play around with it, dude. I literally can't find it. ChatGPT is useless, so you might just have to play around with the different UE versions and see if you can find one that works for it. It's just gonna take trial and error. Like for me, when I tried to load the Chapter 2 Season 3 map, it took me a couple tries to figure out what version UEFN exactly. But I would, yeah. Honestly, you might actually have to try every UE5 version. Sorry, dude. There's no other way. Um, so let me. Let's get rid of this junk in here, and then I'm gonna actually just ask ChatGPT for a quick little style thing, cause um, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT for the styling because it's honestly just really tedious for me to do this. So asset data, asset meta. Okay, so here's the details panel. Now if I try this, let's see what ChatGPT does for this. So search preview.php, and then we should have this in here. You know what? Actually, let's ask it to do something. Preview size name on left. These three options on right. Download copy ID and view stats. I guess actually we could just put the stats there, and below a section for stats. Because I've been dying to get the models from past seasons that aren't in the game anymore. Yeah, you definitely can. I mean, I'm going to. You just have to figure out how to do it right. That's the problem. There's no folder. Return response. So then what I want to do is load the render assets. Cool, except I don't want all these parameters for it. So let me get rid of those. Assets, though, we need to pass in, actually, so we'll do that. Let's pass in assets. Return response. Cool. Okay, now let's test this out, actually. So if we do preview.php, actually, hold on. Let me get an asset ID. Let me just copy this one. Oh, I forget the JavaScript isn't on here. Whoops. There we go. Let's just copy this. Copy to clipboard. Preview.php ID equals that junk. Could not generate a preview for selected asset. Oh yeah, I need to get rid of this form. Asset grid, asset results. Okay. Render assets. Preview.php ID equals. Matched equals A. Oh, dude, I just realized what I did wrong. I didn't pass in the ID. Oops. That's me, Bombo. That's my bad. Okay, we can get rid of this script too. Don't need that there. And then if that should be fine. That should be all good. I don't want that. I don't think we don't need that junk. Oops. Let's just add the PHP close. Close. Cool. Bro, I'm not seeing the other chapter 2 POIs. I only see 3. Yes, that's correct because there are those are the only POIs that are posted as of now, guys, but promise me, guys, I'm trying to upload as much as I can. The problem is I'm just a busy guy. But I really want to do this for you guys. And right now I can't work on anything because Fortnite wants to update with a 24 gigabyte update. So whatever, you know. Okay, guys, cool. Look at this. So now look what we have here. So we've got a nice little download stats thing. So we've got a little preview page here. So this will be the image. You got your name, your option to download, but I'm going to add some styling to that thanks to ChatGPT, which did it for me because it saves so much time, dude. It literally saves so much time, bro. I'm not trying to sit here and do all the styling for this because it's whatever, but like now if we do this. Okay. No. Why would you do that? Oh, ChatGPT. Why did you? Oh, no, bro. What is that? What the? Oh my lord. Okay, never mind. Maybe we won't use ChatGPT styling because that looks like ass. Okay, I don't know why I changed my background from blue to that, but okay. So what I'll do, y'all. Actually, let me just add like. Let me just add the background to the button here. Let's just copy the background and then we'll add padding. So if we do this, if we do button linear gradient should be the background linear gradients, and then padding we'll do like 10 pixels on that. Bro, you know what's crazy is that you have the agency and the images on the website, but you can't even get it. So I know, but I actually removed that because. So if you guys, I hope you guys see the new update, right? Like for the new, because I changed it to so I got rid of like the original search page and I replaced it with something new that's a bit better, I think. So yeah. Check Discord. I sent you the stuff. Okay, cool. Thank you. Wait, hold up. What version of Chapter 2 Season 2 UE version? Like, what version of UE was Chapter 2 Season 2 on? I think it's UE 424. I'm pretty sure it's UE 424. If I'm not, I think so, dude. Okay, so hold on. Wow, I really love when my CSS updates. Wait, is this not a button? Well, yeah, it is, but what? Hold up, wait a minute. Action, button, whatever. I'll just put the class name on it, because... Okay, so matched equals A matched, so then we do asset left, source equals path to preview, so then we'll do get out of here. I wonder if this works in PHP. Looks like it does. So now what we're gonna do, source equals okay, I guess maybe it doesn't want to work right. Alright, never mind, hold on, we'll just do this. And then we'll do... Oh, I can just do PHP in here. Not action button, and then I think if I do that, that should work, right? And then I do PHP. Can I do that? Question mark. Let's just see if this works so far. Your user is still I got right. Yeah, it is. I just haven't pulled up Discord yet. So okay, so I definitely did not like that. So guess this is a no-no. So let's just leave it like this then. Let's do source equals this will be matched image, and then this will be that. Oops. All equals asset preview, asset info. This is going to be matched name, and this will be PHP like calculate size or something. Calc file size. Alright, let me open up Discord now too. Bro, why does it think I'm trying to simpler? Does it really think I'm trying to put in this whole ass function? I guess I will. Oops. Alright, get rid of that junk. Get rid of this. Get file size formatted, file path. No, I don't want a freaking echo, dude. I don't. Oh my god. Get out of here. So then what I'll do is I'll put this here, get file size formatted, and then we'll pass in matched path, and then ID is matched matched ID. Okay. Okay. Now we need to make sure that my copyid.js is in here. Cool. OnClick equals copy. Is it copy ID? And then I know that there's supposed to be, let's do matched ID. And then the same thing is with, let's do this one. Should the same click, same thing, except it's a different function. On click equals, whoops, copy ID, and then track download track download view path. No, we don't need that. Oops. Okay, oops. Stats June 2nd, and then this would be assets, for assets, this would be sorted downloads. Honestly, I can probably just call. Alright, we'll worry about the stats in a bit. Add a. And get rid of this, because we don't need that. If you want the storm to be added, it can be in that as well. I have chapter 1, 2, and 4. Awesome. You have chapter 4? That's cool. Cool. So, season 11, Weeping Woods, full POI. There should be a space. I guess there's not a space with the name. Matched. Wait. How is the image not working? What? Image class, asset preview, source, matched image. What? I'm not tripping, am I? Dude, you literally can download anything. You can download the models, you can download the JSON data, like you can download anything if you have the right UE version. Image. Oh, oops. I know what I did. Silly me. Whoa. Let's shrink that down to like 200. Well, I tried the Deadpool flag just now and it didn't work. Well, then that means you have the wrong UE version if it didn't work. If it didn't work, that just means you have the wrong UE version. Even flow. Yo, what's up, Burger Man? Even flow. Thoughts arrive like butterflies. Oh, we don't know. So he chases them away, yeah. Oh, someday, yeah, he'll begin his life again. Laugh again, laugh again. Oh, freezing, rests his head on a pillow made of concrete. Again. Oh, kneeling. Oh, hell no. Places that he no. Even flow, thoughts arrive like butterflies. I'm using 12.50. I'm 99% sure the train is the correct texture, but I don't know, okay? Oh, it's because I downloaded the wrong thing? Okay. Yeah, you have to download, like, the right, data type, because if like you try to download like texture on a mesh, like obviously that's not gonna work because it's just the raw model. So make sure you download the actual like right type of data when you do it, because otherwise it won't work. So even flow, thoughts arrive like butterflies. Oh, we don't know, so we chases them away, yeah. Oh, someday yet, he'll begin his life again, laugh again, laugh again. Oh, freezing, oh, do places that he do. Even flow, thoughts arrive like butterflies. Let's go, I can finally get older assets. Yo, nice, man. Him away. Him away. Oh, freezing. Rests his head on a pillow made of concrete. Oh, down now. Places that he lived down. Even flow. Not arrive like butterflies. Oh, he don't know. So he chases them away, yeah. Oh, someday, yeah, he'll begin his life again. Life again. Life again. Oh, freezing. Rests his head on a pillow made of concrete. Even flow. Thoughts arrive like butterflies. Oh, we don't know. So he chases them away, yeah. Oh, someday, yeah, he'll begin his life again. Life again. Life again. Dude, what? Dude, ChatGPT. Oh, my lord, bro. I literally said no frickin' dickin' background. Even flow, thoughts arrive like butterflies. Oh, we don't know, so he chases them away, yeah. Dude, why did it do it like that? Oh, whoops, that's my bad. I forgot to do the asset left div. Time to build Deadpool's yacht. If you want to wait, I am going to post Deadpool's yacht once I can actually work on it. If you want to wait. Why don't I do a modern look? It would look way better because I don't want that. I mean, I guess, but like, I don't know, man. Do I really want to be... Fine, let's see what ChatGPT can cook up. Modern look. Let's see if it'll actually cook up anything good. Otherwise, I'm just going to leave it because I don't like ugly stuff. Dude, I don't care about that. Just give me my thing, bruh. Alright, guys. What do you think ChatGPT can cook up? No, I meant for me, but yeah, I'll wait. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Rara? I haven't gotten a chance to drop by any of your streams. Yo, what's up, man? Just want to say I appreciate the work you do. Keep it up. Thank you. Thank you for saying that, though. That's appreciated. Okay, what do we think, guys? I don't know why the stats are white, but... when I save the model, it sets it as a JSON, and I can't use it. Oh, bruh. Honestly, I don't know what to say about that, bro. I'm gonna be honest here. Sorry guys. I kind of just like the basic stuff, cause I don't know. I just think it's easier to read. I mean, it's simpler. So I don't know. Um, I kind of like it like that. So, um, I just like the simpler stuff. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't like super modern flashy stuff. This CSS, but make the image and description to the left and the stats to the right. All the way left. Him away. Him away. Oh, freezing. Rest his head on a pillow made of concrete. Yeah, okay. So if we do that, I'm gonna put this. Let's just even flow. Thoughts arrive like butterflies. Hold on. What's the end of this? Okay, there is that. Okay, so this div. You know what? Actually, these should be. Cool. What if we do download and then 11 Weeping Woods full POI size. Let's do type 2. Why not? Let's do this. Type should be category matched category. Okay, so now there's category full POI. I respect the effort for the simplistic design too. I low-key feel like too many sites these days have too much stuff going on. You see, that's the thing, dude. That's why I'm just trying to do an easy, like, readable design, because I just think that there's like, when you have like modern stuff, there's just like too much. Because I just think that it's clean. Yeah, it's just really clean, dude. It's like, yeah, it looks basic, but like it's just clean. I just like it. I think it looks really good because whenever you go to like a bunch of sites, they always have way too much flashy stuff going on, and it's like it overloads your, it's like overload, sensory overload. Okay, of course it wants to do all this. Okay, of course, bruh. Why are you doing that? Okay, so if I just track download, oh, I forgot to do this. Whoops, that's my bad. Copy ID, if we do that, and then we do that. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm just gonna we're gonna do this, and then I think this is literally in the PHP. So if I just copy this, except I'll just add the class name to it. Class equals action button. Cool. View stats. Okay, so this should be this, and then this should be that, right? And then this should be this, and then this should be that, I think. Wait, no? Wait. That. No. This. Yes, okay. Okay, cool. So now if I do class equals action button, because I think that's what it is, right? Is that class equals action button? Like that? No, it's action. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, so wait. Oh, I just realized I got rid of the download button. Oops. So this will be download. Actually, let's do copy. Let's just flip them. This one's download. Download, track, download button, and then we do this, and then yeah, the download is actually a link. That's what it is. Oh yeah. And then a ref equals what is it? Matched none path. Okay. Like that. Cool. Okay, so what if we just do padding, let's just do all around padding 10 pixels. Dude, why is it not? Okay, you know what, guys? I'm done. I ain't trying to fiddle. So let's do that you can download there, or copy as an ID. Maybe I should make the font size a little bit bigger. So what if we do font size like, let's do like 20. All right, that's cool. Sometimes basic is better, for real. I sent the new link on Discord, so I need the mapping thing for Remix. So if you're trying to, there's no US map for Remix. I think it's just the UE version, dude. You guys, what if I do the image preview as 200? Let's do 300 pixels instead of 200. Just do it. Just make it a little bit bigger. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Dude, what now? What? Oh my lord. Um. Yeah, I'm sorry, ChatGPT. I don't care. The only thing I need is just to fix this because I don't feel like. Oh my lord. No, 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 no. Okay, hold on. Let's just tell it to fix this whole thing. Fix that little. Okay, cool. There we go. Now it's got the proper stuff. So if we do this and then reload. Okay. Make sure that works. Copy ID. Copy ID, ID. That's weird. Okay, cool. So now it's got nothing in there. Doesn't populate with anything. What up, Exploding Taco? Not sure if it does that, but you can ask. no. God, you're so stupid. Oh my god, dude. It doesn't... Wait, did I put path? No. Wait. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, dude. All I know is, oh, we're just gonna put that in there. Because for whatever reason... Eh. Oh my god. Why is it asset? Why is it asset? I just realized. It should be matched. Oh my lord. It's so annoying. Why? Why? Why, bro? Copy to clipboard. Yes, okay. Uploaded. So then we'll do uploaded. We'll do this. Is set. Matched. Uploaded, and then do that. Oops. Okay. And then download count. I would have to fetch the okay, so this would be the stats, so view stats. Oh yeah, I could just put the view stats there. I could just put view. Let's just run the function view stats, and then copy ID. We'll just copy this, and then we'll do this down here. Script view stats. Okay. Okay, so instead of making that pop up, let's just do stats PHP and then let's do p ID equals stats whoops, and then we'll do this should be let's go to copy ID, and then we will do alright guys, looks like this is almost done, hopefully. Oh my god, what the hell? It literally says it's done. Updated. What if I restart this? Hold on. document dot get element by ID stats dot inner HTML plus equals, and then let's do stats. Oh, I do have stats.php open. Nope, we don't want a pop-up. We don't want an overlay. Div. Okay, so that is weird. Get rid of that. Should be, oh, wait, I know what happened here. Wait, what if I actually, let's put this back, except for that. And then I need to save this. And then I also need to save, oh, wait, I did, okay. Oops, wait. Wait, what? Okay, so okay, what if we do the div as the instead? I wish more people stream their work as far as UEFN and stuff goes. I feel like a lot of people can learn stuff that way. Yeah, you know? That's why I'm doing this right now. I mean, you guys are just like watching my process, so. Let me do this. Let's do ID stats ID equals stats. Get rid of this one. Now let's see if it works. Nope. Okay, cool. What if I just get rid of all the styling from this here? If we do, get rid of the stat row, get rid of the label, get rid of this. I mean, I suppose, like, alright, I don't know, dude, what? Wait. It's probably fine. Alright, you know what? What I'm gonna do now instead is just put the button there, because I think that's probably easier. So if we do, let's just put a button here instead, and let's just do this, and then we'll do that, and then view stats, view stats, class equals action button, view stats. Alright, that way it's more concise too, you know? So, really, bro, really. Okay, so now you guys can see the stats here. Alright, that's more concise too. Cool. Uploaded, that will be there whenever, yeah. So then you can view the stats. So I don't know how many people like to view the stats, but you can if you want to see how many people downloaded it. I think it's cool. Okay, so now guys, look at this. This is the new asset page. Ready to go. So I think this is good. I mean, there's kind of just a lot of space. So what I might do is asset left max width. Okay, so alright, I think it's probably fine. Cool, so now let's change these guys to, so these cards here, these are going to be converted into like clickable links. So instead of having these options here, you guys can just click on this and then it's going to take you to that page. So to do that, it's pretty simple. We just need to change a little bit of code here. Whoa, I almost gave, I literally, oh my god, what the heck was that? That was weird. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we just gotta change a little bit of PHP code. So the I think it's where do I even make the, let's see, where do I make the cards? Here we go. Ahref equals instead of this being the download link now, it's just going to be, oh wait, you know what I need to do yet? I need to add the download here because I didn't do that yet. Okay, let's go back here and then let's do track download class A equals is there even, yeah, I have the href, but I don't have the this, so let's add this in. Hold on. I think if we do that, and then we do this first, and then that, and then this, and then that, we should be fine. And then this, wait. Ref equals matched path. And then, oh yeah. Oops, let's do this. Then ref, and then download equals name download, track download. Wait, actually, wait, hold on. Else let's just get rid of this here. What if we do a class equals asset card and then put the href as href so we'll link to the I think it'd be assets ID, and then we do this, okay, and then dot that, so it would be ref equals preview dot php question mark ID equals and let's get rid of these buttons here because we don't need those anymore. Cool. Let's test this out. Okay. Now you guys can actually go to the asset here. Wait. Wait, wait. What the heck? Yeah, that's not quite right there. Right. What? So, A class action button. Div class left, div button A. Wait, what's going on with the A here? Huh. What? Yeah, that's so weird. What? Alright, you guys, so what is happening here? It's like the name is not right. Hold on. I think I probably just messed this up. Oh yeah, I'm silly. Oh my gosh. Of course. Yeah, that's my okay. That's my season 13 prison shark destroyed. Full POI 1. All right, pretty cool. So if we go to app and just click on anything, and then it will take you to the asset page for that, and then you can download it from there. And I don't know, I just think as we get more assets that it'd be nice to have a little bit more info, so like the size and stuff. So you can see here the view stats. Wow, 31 downloads. That's kind of crazy. This has to be the most popular asset, right? 7.16 megabytes. Alright guys, successfully updated my code. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I have the agency OG railing textures and like the trims because the current ones are bad. Yeah, I can get those too. So, alright, I want you guys to do me a favor, either in the chat or on the website by going to where it says request. I want you guys to enter in requests for stuff, or just put it in chat. That might be easier. But if you want to go to the website, you could do that. Okay. So if I put this in here, I'm not really sure if that's gonna work how I want it to still. So if I do this, copy asset ID. Yeah, I think that's fine for now. Maybe it should. I kind of wanted to just take you to this page instead of having it do that. So maybe we'll do preview.php. Maybe we'll just change it to preview. So if we go to match id.html, just less clicks, you know? Search.php, preview.php, preview. And I think post would be fine as well. Match asset. If we paste this back in here. Okay, hold on. Come on, man. There we go. Cool. So you can paste this in here now, and it will just take you right to the asset page. I requested something on the site. Awesome. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, did you see you can now sort by season and category? So you can sort by full POI, and it will give you only full POIs that you can click on and go to the asset pages for. And then you can also do asset packs, so like just packs. And then you can also do single models, which there are a couple of those. I don't know why these are under single model. I think it's just because they're one building. And then single material, which there's actually nothing for at the moment. But then full landmark, which obviously I'm going to be adding a lot more stuff. So yeah, you guys can filter by those now. The default is all, so it'll just load up everything by default. And then you can click on this, and it will take you right to the asset screen. And then I think, let's make sure that the downloads count is working fine. So I'm going to download Holly Hedges for just as test. Holly Hedges POI feed 2 stats, and then it should tell me that my latest download was just now, which is good because that's what I want it to do. So and then I think eventually I'll add a description if it's necessary. I requested something, just the first thing that popped up in my mind from chapter 2. Cool. So you guys know what I'm going to do now is load up. Seriously? What? What the fuck? What is... Why? Wait, what's going on? What? Ugh. Oh my god. What is happening? Is it reinstalling the entire game? Alright guys, honestly, like, I might just end stream for a bit, because UEFN is still taking forever, so, I don't know. I think I might have uninstalled the game, and then it's reinstalling it, so I'm sorry, guys. I think I just have to wait this one out for... I don't know if I can... But I think you guys can test out the website. I mean, there's not gonna be anything new yet because I literally just can't add anything yet. So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna be live in like 2.5 hours. So stay tuned for that. I will be live in like 2.5 hours or something like that. We'll see. Depends on how long it takes Fortnite to install. Keep an eye out on the channel. If you can't make it, it's okay. I mean, I'm still gonna be streaming it just cause, but try to pop out. Should be fun. How close is the build? I'm just gonna download that while I'm not streaming. So while I'm offline, I'm just gonna download that. All right, I'm gonna take a look at requests from the website too in the meantime. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you later. See you guys in